Here we are in journals, and you see that I only have 5 journals assigned to you. And a journal is basically writing your thought about the journal. So when you click on each one of these assignments, and there's lesson 1, lesson 2, lessons 5, etc., and it has directions that you choose one assignment. You don't have to do them both. That sometimes I have more than one, 3. But for the first one, for lesson 1, you're going to either discuss the importance of art in the world by reviewing the functions and purposes, or 2, what functions does art fulfill in Western society? How does it look different from urban, suburban, and rural environments? And how does it function in wealthy, middle class, impoverished social structures? All right, so I would like 2 paragraphs each for each assignment that you do. So I'm going to be looking specifically for 2 paragraphs. That's at least 4 sentences per paragraph, 8 sentences, and where you think about how it's important. Again, I'm wanting your own ideas and words. I'm not going to be grading your language or your English writing ability. I'm just looking for you to have the ability to think. And to begin, then you create a journal entry. Pulls up like this. You can give it a title. You type in 2 paragraphs and finish, and you will get full points if I can understand what you've written at all. So then when you're done, you click post, and that's it. Very simple assignment there. Unless writing is terribly difficult for you, and even if you do have some language barriers, don't sweat it too bad. Just give me some ideas about the topic that I'm having you discuss. A little different than the discussion board, as that none of your fellow classmates read it. I'm the only one who's going to read it. And that's all there is to it. Have fun.